Hello guys! We will do a house tour. Pasok muna tayo before tayo lamigin dito kasi malamig. We have our floor mat. Very nice. This is our door, our main door. And this is my house! Iniba namin yung bahay kasi nga ibibenta namin siya. Today, nag-take sila ng photos para i-advertise siya, like, you know, marketing and all that. The house is very nice and clean. This area here is our, what do you call this, like second lounge. Parang entrance siya ng bahay. You can make this as a lounge. So we put this couch here. Galing to sa kuya ni Dan. So it's just a really nice black, like, is it black? Comfy couch. And I kept one pillow. Ang dami namin mga cushion, pero I only kept one here kasi I don't think it needs more. We have that lamp. Galing yan sa lounge, guys. Nilagay lang namin dito kasi mas bagay siya dito. Para naman may laman itong area na to. So dito, yung pag-build ni Dan dito sa bahay, nilagyan niya ng PowerPoint where you can connect your TV. So, pwede ka maglagay dito ng, yung lalagyan ng TV, tapos dito mo ilagay yung TV mo. Right now, what we have is our shoe rack from IKEA. So, ayan lang, ayan, sneak peek. Pero lahat yan puno ng shoes. And we have our pineapple decor here. You will see diffusers everywhere because I love diffusers. Gusto ko na mabango yung bahay. And then we have this pineapple, parang lalagyan ng kung ano-ano lang from H&M. Now, this side is the door to our garage. Single garage yung bahay na to. And this is it. Very clean as well. There you go. That's it. And that's the door, roller door to the outside people. And we have another door there para sa gilid na bahay. Okay. Now, let's go. Dito yung aming mahabang hallway. So, meron tayong, oh, thank you. Should we turn on all the lights? There you go. Meron kami dito mga, what do you call this? Recessed wall. Did I pronounce that right?
Yep.
Recessed wall. So, meron kaming tatlong ganito and we have lighting. It actually looks really good kapag naka-off yung lights ng hallway. Noon, yung nandito is yung picture ni Dan at saka ng nanay niya. Kinuha namin kasi nga no personal stuff kapag nag-open house. And then we've got windows. So, ito siya, glass siya, but it's frosted. Kasi privacy. And then another recessed wall. Tapos nilagay namin dito yung galing sa ex ni Dan. Very nice. Thank you very much for your gift. And then the first room ng bahay is the master bedroom. So let's go. Come in. Ta-da! Look at this, guys. Pinalitan namin yung lamps namin. So, before we had the parang taupe na lamp from IKEA. We replaced it with this. And it's a touch lamp. Hello? Yeah, there you go. You touch it, it turns on and then off. And it looks nice and cute. We are keeping our side tables. Yes. And then nandito yung cabinet na Dan. Again, diffuser, isa sa pinaka-paborito ko, Palm Beach na watermelon. And then meron lang kaming vase dito na may mga gold flecks. Yan, pwede ka din maglagay ng TV kasi meron din connection for TV. Pero para sa amin, kapag kwarto lang, kung gusto mong manood ng TV, dun ka sa lounge. Pupunta tayo ng kwarto para matulog, di ba? That's right! And, let's show you your lamp, my love. There you go. Very nice. This bed set we got from Spotlight, and it was a good deal. Like,
I don't mind it.
Yeah, it's good. Looks really good.
Yeah.
And we've got our silk pillow cases, which feels really nice. Sobrang ganda nito yung silk pillow case. Alright, and dito, hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo na to. Meron kaming space dyan na pwede kayong maglagay ng coffee table if you like. And you can open this. Kung gusto nyo mag-coffee dyan, feel free. Nilagay ko yung plant ko doon. Kasi parang mas bagay siya outdoor kaysa indoor. Siguro pwede mo siya ilagay indoor kapag meron kang like basket. Alam mo yun? Pero, yeah. Anyway, this side here is our walk-in closet. I did a walk-in closet tour. Ililive ko siya sa taas. But look at this. Ibang-iba na siya, guys. Diba? Sobrang dami kong kinuha. And kanina nag-take ng photo si Kuya. Wala itong mga to. Sobrang konti lang nung tinira ko. So, yan. And then, empty. Empty, 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 empty. Diba? Bagong pintura din yung aming mga walls and all that. So, a lot of space for new clothes. Charot. Joke lang. Joke lang. Okay, let's go sa ensuite. Ensuite! Yay! This is our tiny ensuite.
Oh, I get to see me on the reflection. The cameraman.
It's okay. Look at this. Ito lang yung tinira namin. So, before, nandito yung lamp ko noon, nalalagyan ko ng mga perfume ko. So, ngayon, wala na siya. Yung tinira ko is yung pineapple na galing Yes Style. It is actually a coin bank. Coin bank, ayan. Para sobrang simple lang ba. And then, another Palm Beach na watermelon na diffuser na konti na lang natira. A cute one. And wala. So, yung mga gamit is nasa mga drawers lang because we have a lot of storage as well. Ayan. And then, our shower. Very simple shower. There you go. Hello. It was here when you took photos. Ito lang dalawa yung tinira ko eh. Para sa photos, ito lang dalawa makuha. Yung body, ano namin, sana kinuha niya to. Anyway, that's alright. Tignan niyo kung anong ginawa ko sa toilet paper. O, diba? Parang nasa hotel lang kami. Tinupi-tupi ko siyang ganyan. May mga paganyan akong ganap. Alright, so that's there. Hindi na lang natin i-open yung mga drawer ha, kasi marami pa siyang laman. Kasi yung ginawa ngayon, ano lang naman siya, photos lang naman siya. Yung open house, hindi pa ngayon. And then, ito, nandito na to siya. Another recessed wall na may lights, ganyan. Hindi ko alam, mga ano lang, mga vase. Alright, and then we have this like, I don't know, like corner here. Plano sana namin lagyan ng plant dito. Eh, wag na. And then, wait, close natin yan. And then, next room is here. Ito yung, dito namin nilalagay yung kapag mga sampay, ganun, kapag nagsasampay kami. And then, lahat ng rooms, or yung exact sa master bedroom, yung dalawang natirang room, meron kaming built-in na closet. So, meron talaga kaming storage. See? Ayan. So, kapag magiging kwarto to, okay ka na. Meron ka ng wardrobe. Pasensya na sa kalat. Ayusin namin yan before may mga dumating dito. Pero yan lang. Hindi naman siya nilagyan ng bed kasi nga nagtitipid na kami guys sa gastos just in case hindi mabenta. Kasi yung original na plano, papalagyan sana namin ito ng bed para i-stage na maayos. But yeah, we decided to just leave it empty. And then, dito naman sa harap niya, nandito yung laundry na ang laman is more storage. Hindi ko mapakita kasi nandito yung mga sampayan namin. Magulo dito. Pero nandito yung mga like buong wall sa gilid, puro storage lang siya from ceiling to down. And then meron nandiyan yung washing machine. And then dito naman is just another room. So ito yung filming room ko noon. And yeah. So pwede kang maglagay ng ano dito, bed dito, or pwede mo dito ilagay yung, alam mo yun, baby mo. So meron din tayong closet, of course. Ayan. Hindi pa yan naayos ng maayos kasi tinatambak lang namin dyan kung ano lang matambak. Pero as you guys notice, white talaga lahat kasi malinis. Tapos, alam mo yun, maganda kapag puti. Now, on this side here, nandito yung ating common bathroom, guest bathroom. So, nandito yung bathtub. Another diffuser there, one of my favorites as well. Ano yan? French pear. And then, yeah, dito sink. And then on this side here, behind the door, is the shower. Ding, 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 ding. Like that. Shower, people. It's nice. Yan lang. Walang glass na door. Open lang siya, and then we have this wall here. What's this wall?
Stone.
Stone. Yeah, all our, what do you call this?
Bench tops.
Bench tops are
Stone.
stone, guys. It's not wood, it's stone, and we have a lot of storage. So, storage everywhere. Oh, ito pala yung gusto ko. Sa master bedroom kasi sa ensuite namin, meron siyang gap. Mas gusto ko sana yung hindi naka-expose, yung nasa ilalim lang siya kasi mas malaki siguro or mas malinis tingnan yung space. Pero kung naka-expose man siya, sana nakadikit lang siyang ganyan. Kasi sa master bedroom, the master bedroom sink, it has a gap and it's very hard to clean. Yeah, for future house mom. Alright, now let's go to our lounge. This is where I spend most of my time. Lounge and kitchen. So let's start with the lounge. So yung iniba lang namin is yung mga cushions. Kinuha namin yung mga cushions. We got these cushions from Kmart. So we've got this really nice, parang velvet cushion na gray, light gray, and a pink one. Kasi gusto namin siyang i-match sa aming rug. There you go. And then we have glass, like coffee table. Tapos nilagay ko lang yung aking pineapple na peke na galing Kmart. Mura lang yan. And then nandito yung aming TV. Nag-iisang TV. Meron ka rin TV noon sa master bedroom, pero we got rid of it kasi nga ayaw namin may TV doon. So, we kept only one TV. Ito lang. Soundbar. And dito sa ilalim, nandito lang yung mga kung ano-ano, DVD, mga old DVDs. And then, Nintendo. Nandyan yung record player ni Dan, mga, what do you call those, my love?
Records.
Records. And then, yeah, speaker and our fish pan. And we have another diffuser here na galing kay Tita Sexy. Thank you so much. Ang bango-bango na to. Ano nga ulit yun? Tangerine? Tangerine ba yun? Basta. Ang bango-bango. Malapit na din siya maubos. Kasi lagi ko siyang finiflipping. And then, nandyan ang aming nag-iisang pet na si Joby. This couch is a black, obviously, black leather couch. And we have this painting here na, I don't know, where did we get this one?
Priceless art.
Huh?
Priceless art.
Priceless art. It's priceless. Okay. And we have our dining table here, guys. Again, glass. Hindi siya kid-friendly because alam niyo naman yung glass. Konting ano lang, sobrang ano na siya. Sobrang kitang-kita yung fingerprint, so kailangan talaga siya i-maintain. Also, yung ano pala namin, yung floor namin is tiles. So we have ceramic gray tiles, which, again, medyo hindi siya ganun ka dali i-maintain kasi konting ano lang, kitang-kita mo na siya. So, kailangan talaga, like, nakatuto ka. Meron akong steam mop and I have the Dyson vacuum as well, which helps a lot. Pero, yeah, sa dito, lounge at saka kitchen, tiles kami sa mga bathrooms, tiles kami. Yung carpet lang is yung mga rooms. We have this snake plant na regalo ni Michael and Christina. Thank you so much. Regalo nila to nung 29th birthday ko. Thank you, guys. So, siya lang yung nag-iisang palamuti natin sa ating dining. And we have white dining chairs as well. Again, hindi siya kid-friendly kasi alam niyo na may mga bata kapag kumakain. Strawberries, agoy, gumaganon. Ay, ang pula-pula na ng ano. Pero, uy, hack. Hindi siya hack. Pero, yung ginagamit ko, na ano ko lang siya, na-discover ko lang siya kahapon. Kasi usually, yung ginagamit namin dito is yung, like, basahan lang. Tapos, meron na kami yung multi-purpose na spray. Tapos, yun yung ginagamit namin. Nakakatanggal naman siya. Pero, meron kasi siyang mga pen marks. Wala kami yung mga bata. Pero, kapag may mga bisita kami, na mga bata, naanuhan talaga sila ng pen marks. Magic eraser is the answer. Yung magic eraser na puti, na tubig lang yung ilagay mo, as in sobrang feel ko yung paglinis sa kanya kasi nakakalinis talaga siya, guys. Sobrang
Good job, babe. They look good.
I know, they look really good. They're very clean. Yung magic eraser, it is leather di ba? It's leather, my love.
Nah, I don't think it's leather.
It's not? Because nakukuha na talaga yung pen marks, yun lang. And ano lang yun, tubig lang yung ilalagay mo, walang ibang chemicals, and then nakakuha siya. So now to our kitchen. Dito yung pinakagamit, aside from the bed, ito yung pinakagamit na parte ng bahay. This is not part, hindi ito built-in. We got this from Freedom. Is that right, Ben?
That's right.
Yeah. So it is a, ano lang siya, like cabinet for more storage. And it goes really well sa space na to. Kasi again, white everything para sobrang linis tingnan. And ano lang siya, for additional storage. Ganyan. And then we have this painting na Dan got for me on my, was it 400,000 subscribers?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it was 400,000 subscribers, guys. Nabili namin to siya sa Handorf. Merong ano doon, local, like, art gallery. And we got this. It reminds me of the Philippines, yung kulay niya, at saka because it's a rooster, you know, so it's really nice. And dito, before, yung nandito is yung mga vase na pink. Kinuha ko siya, tapos meron din kami picture frame na daan dito. Kinuha ko siya, and I only left the salt lamp. Salt lamp lang yung tinira namin. And feeling ko nagmamatch kasi siya. Diba? Parang nagmamatch siya. Pero yeah, yan. And then dito sa aming kitchen, so sa side na to, nandito yung aming pantry, na ito lang siya. Maliit. Though, pwede naman gamitin pantry din yung nasa gilid. Pero ano siya, storage lang talaga siya galing sa taas hanggang sa baba. Wag na lang tayo mag-pantry tour kasi magulo. Pero nandito mga food, and then mga plates, and then my stool and my rice. And then we have more storage here. That's for the cutlery. Here's for our
Junk.
No, it's not junk. Cling wrap, these resealable bags, and here are medicine, alam mo yung mga emergency kit. We have our dishwasher that Dan cleaned. Very good job. Sobrang kintab niya. Si Dan yung naglinis niya. And more storage or more cabinets. So, nandito yung mga glass. Ayan, mga glass. Sa susunod na bahay, gusto ko itago yung exhaust namin. So, parang itago siya, gawin siyang cabinet lahat para walang exhaust na makikita. Though ito, gusto ko siya kasi glass. Again, glass. Mahilig kami sa glass at saka sa puti. Well, si Dan mahilig kasi siya naman yung nagpili ng mga to. Pero, glass at saka, yeah, white. Tinanggal namin lahat ng mga appliances namin dito kasi before today, we had air fryer. We had our rice cooker. We had our kettle and our toaster. Pero tinanggal namin siya lahat. Nilagay namin siya sa cabinets kasi nga photos. Ayaw namin na nandun sila sa mga photos. And we have our gas range na gas range na eh. Yung palamuti na tinira ko is ito lang siya. Kanina tinago ko to kasi feeling ko hindi ko alam kung nagmamatch siya. So, wala to kanina sa photos. So, yan. Just more storage there. Our oven. More storage. More storage. On this side, we have our oven. Storage. And dito yung mga bags namin. Ayan. Yan. Ang tawag dyan. Yan. In-organize na ito ng ayos. Yan. Nandito lang yung mga panglinis. Panglinis. Kasi, as you guys can see, wala nang laman yung aming bench. Kasi, tinago namin siya. And on this side, we're almost finished, people. On this side, we have our fridge. So, before, sobrang dami namin dito mga magnets. Kasi every time we travel, we get a magnet para remembrance. Tapos nilalagay namin siya sa fridge namin. Pero tinanggal namin siya lahat and then clean it as well. It's very clean. It's very nice. And we have more storage up here that I cannot reach. So, I don't really know what's in there. Oh! There you go. That's our toaster. And our coffee machine. Coffee maker. Here you go. And then we have another cabinet here. Ayan, nandito yung mga tinago namin ng mga appliances. Ayun! And the outside. You've seen the outside many times, so it's gonna be really quick, guys. The outside, meron kaming bamboo. Meron kaming bamboo plant. And water tank. Yun lang. That's it. Very nice. Na-train na ni Dan yung mga bamboo. He trims it. He maintains it all the time now. So it looks really good. But yeah. So here we have, ano pala, itong mga long chairs. Pero it matches with everything kasi gray. And tinan niyo yung tiles namin. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. It is very shiny. So, kapag malinis siya, sobrang ganda niya tingnan. Kapag madumi naman, hindi siya lang kagandahan kasi makikita mo talaga yung dumi. So, kailangan mo talaga siyang i-maintain. That's it!
Good job, babe.
Thank you. So, itong bahay na to, ibibenta na namin. Kung mabili, very good. Kung hindi mabili, okay lang. Kasi ngayon, na sobrang linis na niya. And parang wala na yung kalat. Sabi ni Dan, parang ayaw ko na siyang ibenta. You don't want to sell the house anymore. You want to live in this house. Sabi ni Dan, ang ganda rin ng bahay natin. Huwag na nating ibenta.
That looks good.
Yeah, I know. It looks good na walang masyadong kalat. Ang maganda rito sa bahay na to, binild siya hindi para ibenta. Binild talaga siya para tirahan. So yung mga materials ng bahay is like, alam mo yun, magagandang quality, hindi plastic. Ito, what is this?
Stone.
Stone. Hindi ako ready na i-let go itong bahay na ito, pero wala tayong magagawa. Kapag mabenta siya. Pag hindi, okay lang din sa amin. Dito kami titira. Okay? Oh, good? Do you have anything to say?
That's a lot. Good job.
That's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you again soon. Be good. Bye.
Good job, babe.